This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for August 24th, 2023. It's currently June 26th, 2023, 8:49 p.m. Eastern Time, and the shuffle file we're about to play for the 24th was created on June 16th, 2023 at 11:44 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video right here. So the overall theme and behavior for the day, usually the art card is a prominent move higher followed by a full retracement of that move back down. But it can be just like a bullish kind of energy as well. Behavior around the highest high, out of a decline or in the face of seemingly overwhelming headwinds, there's a notable move to the upside reaching the high. And the behavior out of the lowest low, we should see a significant move higher, pushing the upper end of a range higher. I'm advised to trade around a peak where we break through resistance, we stay above it briefly, and then we break back down through the same price level shortly thereafter. When we take a look at the 1 month, we see a rally that increases with the momentum moving forward in time, and it looks like there's a peak midday. I would say normally we open up the Strife card as the sneak preview card. Normally I would say we open lower, but based on the fact that it's a nullified Ace of Cups and then we see the Ace of Cups right here, it is possible that we open at a peak or we push through a resistance, we stay above it briefly, and then we break back down through the same price level shortly thereafter. Like right around the open, at a possibly a higher price level than yesterday. When we break through resistance, we stay above it briefly, and then we break back down through that same price level shortly thereafter. That decline in the first half hour offers opportunity to open up a long position in the midst of a decline and a day's low there. It's followed by a rally, a sideways fluctuating rally out of the low that continues probably until a peak or crest around 11:10-ish. In the midst of that sideways fluctuating rally, one should be able to close that long position for a notable profit and a quick day trade if they wanted to. Or they could hold that long position for a more speculative play that gets kind of mixed in the middle of the day, but they could hold it for a more speculative play. It looks like possibly midday high, but I'd say get out with that sideways fluctuating decline rally that precedes a decline. Between 11 and 12, we have a period of volatility that ends with a fast sudden move higher. It's like volatile. We go from a decline around 11:10 to volatility to a fast sudden move higher. Out of that volatile decline somewhere between 12 and 1, and that's where we see a day's high most likely. Off of that day's high, there's a notable decline through multiple support levels. That Magus card is a little tricky. Looks like it's mixed behavior, the Magus card, and then it turns into price swinging as we go towards the close. There's both a peak that should stand out there around the close, and a bit of a decline off of that peak down to and through support to do a U-shaped reversal below second support, come back and reuse it as support, and then in the post-market out of that decline, we should see a move from the bottom of range to the top of range, either that or the following day. But I think the following day is probably pretty bearish based on the 25th card. So I would probably do that day trade there. You could possibly open up a short position at a peak or crest here, but I think it'd probably be more prudent to wait until tomorrow morning at key resistance to open up a short position. And we'll talk about that in more detail in the 25th reading. That's the S&P 500 for August 24th. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. If you're interested in getting this information earlier than here on YouTube, you can get it at our website, Tarot for Traders, under SO Meta Posts. Early access, subscribe here. It's $29 a month, $249 for the year. It's one of our most popular products. Stuff comes out ahead of YouTube. Sometimes it's a month, sometimes it's over a month. Usually it's within a few weeks. Sometimes it's only a few days. It varies, but it comes out ahead of YouTube, and people seem to like that. With that said, guys, follow that rule of karma, and the universe is going to set it back to you tenfold through this channel. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.